The history between Vusimuzi Matlala and Brown Mokgotsi is actually something else. Remember when Matlala appeared before Parliament's ad hoc committee last year? He described Mokgotsi as a con artist, accusing him of being motivated by money. Matlala also told the committee about he had made to Mokgotsi and claimed that he had dealt with him because of what he believed were his connections to powerful political figures. Fast forward to today at the Matlala Commission, things got very personal. Matlala was asked about his relationship with Mokgotsi, and his answer was, take a look at what he said.
I actually hate him.
Why, if I may inquire, as a matter of
He
interest?
caused a lot of problems for me.
Yeah. When did this relationship end, as far as you're concerned?
After my arrest,
The 2025 arrest?
yes.
Okay.
Now, according to Matlala's testimony, the relationship had started after the police raid on his home, and he said Mokgotsi had approached him offering assistance. But here's where things get interesting. Matlala told the commission that he paid Mokgotsi 20,000 rands, which he said was requested for accommodation for people who would investigate the raid. He also testified that he later paid 150,000 rands towards an ANC event. And Matlala's explanation for these dealings is that he believed there was a bigger picture involving Mokgotzi's alleged connections, including what he had been told about then Police Minister Senzo Mchunu. So we have Matlala previously calling Mokgotsi a con artist and now telling the commission quite bluntly, I actually hate him. But despite that hatred, there was clearly a history of communication, dealings, and money between the two. And that is what makes this relationship so interesting. Because Matlala's version of what happened is very different from the picture Mokgotsi previously painted. This is definitely one relationship I'm keeping my eye on. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Good night and ciao.